Okay, hello. Welcome to one more episode of Zindagi Ka Safar. So today it's really an honor for me because I think as we are talking about Zindagi Ka Safar, 1993 was a year which actually changed my life, and not only changed my life, but changed life of a lot of my friends who are there. So the background which you see, this is a batch which is known as the batch of 1995 of TAPME or TFI Management Institute Manipal. So today we have with us, he is not only was our teacher, he was a mentor for all of us who was there. So you can share a little bit about when we're talking about your Zindagi Ka Safar from uh, the different schools and colleges which you have studied up to IIM Ahmedabad, and how did that journey go on?
I see. Okay. Quickly,
Yeah.
I had my primary education and in a village in Andhra, Guntur
Yes, sir.
district, Kollur.
Hmm. Hmm.
Then I came to my parents' place. Actually, I grew with my grandparents
Oh, okay.
till my 15th year,
Okay.
till almost matriculation.
Hmm.
Then I came to the college studies I did my PUC and BCom.
Hmm.
Nothing great about, but I think BCom changed my life
Okay, sir.
because in BCom I was highly motivated
Hmm.
not only to do well and to do my and to plan for my career.
Hmm.
And for that I must get a better grade. This is
Yes.
what I decided. That too
Okay.
in become third year.
Hmm.
At the time I was doing well.
Hmm.
So then I went for MCOM because of my performance
Hmm.
in the Andhra University.
Hmm.
And I did my 2 years MCOM
Hmm.
and the struggle started for a job. Because
Hmm.
MCOM means it is not a specialized course. So
Yes.
the option is that college lecturer,
Okay.
which is not forthcoming easily.
Hmm.
Then I worked for some time, 2 years in some jobs.
Hmm.
Then I became a lecturer at Usmania University
Okay, sir.
in the commerce department.
Mm-hmm.
I was there for 8 years.
Hmm.
During that time, I completed, of course, I did very academically very well
Yes, sir.
because I was interested in that.
Mm-hmm.
I did my MLit, MPhil, what you
Hmm.
call as preparatory for PhD program.
Okay.
There's a dissertation. I did my
Hmm.
dissertation almost equivalent to a PhD dissertation,
Okay.
according to my supervisor.
Okay.
So that
What
motivated
was
me
the
further
subjects?
to
Sorry, what
complete
was
my
the
PhD.
subject which you had done on
Now,
your thesis was on
subject I'll
what,
tell
sir?
you, of course, you will be amused. Absenteeism in Andhra Pradesh Road Transport Corporation,
Oh, okay.
drivers and conductors.
Okay.
That's why I said you will be amused, and other people who are listening.
Uh,
Anyway, but that gave me a lot of work because I did a lot of field work. I went to the
hmm.
depots
Hmm.
in the city and districts to
Hmm.
collect primary data from the drivers and conductors,
Hmm.
which is actually I opened my eyes. Oh God, the world is much different from than what I used to imagine and travel
Yes.
by buses. But
Yeah.
anyway, that actually helped me to get into the what you call a grew into research fold.
Okay, sir.
So then I thought it's easier to do PhD. I thought I'll complete by 1976,
Uh-huh.
which was not.
Okay.
So there are some issues, and then I decided to go to Ahmedabad,
Mm-hmm.
IIM.
Okay.
Luckily, the entrance exam clicked for me. So
Okay.
I was offered a seat in fellow program.
Okay.
Of course, that was my interest,
Yes.
not the regular 2 years program because I was not
Hmm.
meant for becoming a
Hmm.
manager.
Hmm.
So the 4 years was the first year was very tough for me
Hmm.
because from my fifth standard onwards,
Hmm.
I was not very good in maths.
Oh.
In Ahmedabad, you can't escape without mathematics.
Yes, true.
Everything is mathematics.
Everything is matter.
At least in first year, there are two
First year.
courses,
Yeah.
and the rest of the courses also economics is mathematics, marketing is mathematics. So anyway, I survived there first year.
Hmm.
But whatever I lost in the coursework in
Hmm.
terms of grades,
Hmm.
but I compensated adequately through my summer job. One
Okay.
of the best jobs I did in
Okay.
Chennai, Madras at that time,
Okay.
in Larsen and Toubro.
Oh.
The So what happened was the summer job was very interesting to me because I decided to learn about organizations and management because I
Hmm.
never worked in an industry.
Mm-hmm.
That the predetermined purpose helped me to use all my resources
Hmm.
to learn about that company.
Okay.
I used to spend in the workshop. I used
Hmm.
to spend time with the marketing people and all
Mm-hmm.
kinds of things.
Hmm.
Then I came back to Ahmedabad to write the report. Professor Uday Parikh was my guide.
Oh.
So I wrote the report. Interestingly, the report was liked by the L&T people for its not only writing style, but in terms of the useful suggestions that is given there, which is a great motivator. Professor Uday Parikh actually wrote a case out of it with a joint authorship.
Okay.
So, in fact, you can see some signs of that using summer jobs for writing cases.
Okay.
That is MIT.
MIT,
Yeah,
yes.
possibly
Okay.
unconsciousness is there. That is in 1977.
Yes.
So anyway, that actually helped me to understand how a case can be written out of experience of an issue. So that was the then, and then after that I did very well in IIM coursework, 2 years coursework, then thesis, and I was the earliest to clear the program also, 4 years time average, which is not so. Generally, it's 5 to 6 years. Then I was offered a job in IRMA.
Sorry, for your fellowship, what was your research topic? More little academic.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Adoption of management systems.
Okay.
In goal setting organizations. I've got a big mouthful those days. You think like that. Big names.
Yeah.
Actually, it is actually simply those days. Management systems were not very much there. It is by highly personalized management and Lala type of management.
Yeah.
Or our ownership, family ownership kind of a thing. Systems were not used scientifically, rather, you can see that.
Yeah.
So wherever the systems were adapted, how they were adapted much better than others. That was the L&T was one of my company, like BML, and then Madura Courts. I used 4 companies for that. Okay. Anyway, that gave me a lot of understanding of companies, organization, management, because I spent 5 months in the field work again.
Oh.
Field work is my favorite text, even today.
Okay.
So do field work, gain experience, and write something about it.
Yeah.
Is the simple principle. I think if you see some traces of this, and you will find what I did in TAP.
True.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then, so this over, and then I was offered a job in IRMA. Okay. And IRMA, I was there for about 12 years.
Wow.
Which is a good laying foundation for my career. Because IRMA followed more or less IIM standards in terms of structure, systems, and faculty even. Because we were about 10 fellow students of Ahmedabad. Okay. So naturally, we were also used to that, in terms of structuring courses, in terms of systematizing the program, process of the program, etc., etc., are all copied, rather learned from it, and we used it. So we used to get good students, and we did very well. But in IRMA, the most important thing is you have to go to the field more often. Yeah. Because there is rural management.
Yes.
And from there, we used to bring material and write case, because you don't have cases readily available for rural management. So in a sense that we have also created material. See, this is called, in little jargon, we will say knowledge creation.
Yes.
Which, because of IRMA, I learned that also. How do you create knowledge out of your fieldwork experience and details? Because there's so much fieldwork in IRMA, I think you must know, you may know, that I traveled all over the country, nook and corner of the villages. Which is a tremendous experience, though it's tiresome sometimes. Facilities are not available. Those days, villages were them are very poor. You don't get even a meal to eat. So you have to go somewhere nearby town to have a meal. All kinds of things happened, but it's a wonderful experience. I was there for 12 years. Now. So cutting the story short, so I was not thinking of moving out of IRMA anyway.
Okay.
I enjoyed being there. It is a campus. In fact, I always like campus life. So from IIM campus to IRMA campus, it's a beautiful campus. I don't know whether anybody has an idea in your batch or you. It's a beautiful campus, made fresh. It's a large campus of 60 acres, lot of greenery, good houses. In fact, I got a bungalow as a professor.
With a garden and all.
Good things.
Bungalow with a garden.
Korean effect.
Yes.
Yes, and a lawn, lot of lawn in the front of the
Lawn and
house.
all. Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, it's a enjoyable, and we had a good social life also. Being in the campus,
Hmm.
we developed lots of social relationships,
Hmm.
families. In
Hmm.
fact, we become very close to even now, they're friends.
Hmm.
So I was doing that,
Hmm.
but I used to think always something about management education.
Hmm.
Management education requires good institutions.
Hmm.
For good is, of course, one can define in a different ways.
Hmm.
Good means quality,
Hmm.
ethical,
Hmm.
and with a large campus and more liberal
Yeah.
in terms of facilities,
Hmm.
in terms of admission of students, and
Hmm.
uh, and then facilities for everything. So this was my unconscious thinking about a management school
Hmm.
because I enjoyed IIM Ahmedabad
Hmm.
and then IRMA. So naturally, my learning is from those two institutions.
True.
Okay,
Yeah.
so in fact, this TAPME thing is very funny. I must say
Hmm.
that how I came there.
Okay.
You may not believe. I did not tell anybody so far.
Mm-hmm.
At least in your batch, to your batch.
Hmm.
I never applied for a post in TAP.
Yeah.
You can't believe it. Anyway, I never applied because it seems they advertised for a director's post
Ah.
from 5 6 months before they contacted me,
Hmm.
but I never saw the advertisement. I never saw the advertisement. Maybe saw South Indian paper, so I did not see that being in Anand.
Hmm.
But one sudden, sometime in March or so, the my predecessor from Seshagiri Rao
Hmm.
called me,
Hmm.
taking the number from somebody. I don't know where he got it. I don't
Hmm.
have a number of my own. He called our, PMBX, that
Yeah.
central thing used to
Central
be
thing
there.
which is there. Yeah.
And then she called me saying, sir, there is a call from Manipur, she said.
Yeah.
Manipur.
Yeah, because no one would have heard about Manipal
God.
at all.
Then I said,
Yeah.
I don't know, that's true. That's what I'm saying. So then I said, forget about it. I'm not going to go take up the call from Manipur, I said.
Uh,
Then it turned out, but the gentleman is asking, "No, I want to talk to him." So he
uh,
called me and he talked to me gently, saying that I am so. I'm
hmm.
currently the director.
Hmm.
I'm now retiring and we are looking for a successor.
Hmm.
We heard about you
Hmm.
and somebody has recommended your name. Are you interested? Then I said, I'm not thinking of any director's post at this point of time.
Hmm.
My family settled well here in Anand and we're happy here. No, 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 professor, do one thing. At least you come for interview to Bangalore, we'll pay you airfares, he said.
Hmm.
That's how I started. Now,
Uh,
they already called some 5 6 people, I think, along with me, another 6 or 7.
hmm.
All of them came, maybe altogether 7 8 people total.
Hmm.
So we were interviewed in Manipal Center, some
Okay.
place
Hmm.
in Bangalore.
Hmm.
So I was the last person to be interviewed. But interestingly, I don't have a biodata. They don't have a biodata of mine because I did not send it.
Yes.
So they called me just 1 week before. I don't have because I was not planning to apply for post. So I don't have any biodata. So they were courteous, Ramesh Pai and others are there. So they said, Professor, we complete our interview, but it will be nice to have your biodata. They said. I felt bad. I felt rather bad. So I said, I'm sorry.
Hmm.
So happened, but I have not updated my biodata because I was not thinking of really going for jobs elsewhere.
Hmm.
Anand seemed to be good for me. No, no, no. You take your time and send us because it is for our records, he said.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I took a week or so, then I posted it. That's it.
Hmm.
But interestingly, after a week or so, I got the appointment order.
Wow. Hmm.
That's the beginning of. Now, the appointment order came, you may not believe again, that is the kind of status of the institute at the time. It was typed on an inland letter, not even an envelope.
Oh.
So unfortunately, I lost it. Actually, I should have kept it.
I know.
I left it. So it is an inland letter type.
Okay.
So I was a little worried because if director position, so you don't use a letterhead. I think they have a letterhead at the time. But sending in an email. So I consulted my professors in Ahmedabad, particularly Uday Parikh. He was my guide and philosopher.
Hmm.
Then he said, Nagbrahma, you are more interested in academics.
Hmm.
I know. I think you should take up this job. He said. For whatever reasons he said, he said. And then, then I said, okay, I'll take it up. And they said that you have to join fast.
Hmm.
So by end of March, I came to Manipal.
Okay.
This all happened in just a matter of 20 days.
So, sir,
So this is
before,
the
because you said the interview happened in Bangalore, had you seen the institute before you actually came, or
no,
this
no,
is the
no,
first
no,
time
no,
you?
no. Good question. I did not see Manipal even.
Okay. Okay.
Forget about the institute.
Okay.
So I straight came with my family to Manipal. So they didn't even arrange a car.
I
So
know.
we came by buses or something. Then, but they arranged a hotel, the same Valley View Hotel.
Valley View.
So for a day we stayed there, and in fact, next day I went to the institute. So obviously I came from Irma, so it's a beautiful campus, a beautiful place, and so
You're
naturally
wondering
the
what is this
reaction would be
building? You are wondering what is this
yes,
building and all. Is there something
exactly.
behind? Have you got the wrong address?
Yeah, terrible feeling. But I composed myself because I did not tell any staff there because it doesn't look. Nayak was there. Nayak was nice. Parimala was there. They're all sitting. You know, if you compare now and their status and their status, it's I think I don't know how many times, 1,000 times better or 2,000 times better. God knows.
True. The infrastructure
I
has
think
improved.
it's total scenario is transformation. I say.
Yeah.
You know, everything is transformation for them, for their life.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about myself.
True.
So anyway, that's it. So the place was not attractive. In fact, the next day or so, I went to the hostel, that old hostel. Oh God! Actually, after that, I said
it was a depleted
maybe I
kind
did a
of
mistake.
building. It's a depleted kind of building. You get
And also,
scared to get into it.
inside the rooms, I say, inside the rooms, there are no cots, there are no tables, three-legged chairs, no fan. It was looking like, I don't know what to say. I said, is it a management institute's hostel? God. Then I actually, my heart sank. I said, no, I did a mistake in coming over here. Comfortable life in Irma. Why I have to take the trouble of all this? Honestly, way I say. But then I came back, but I found one good thing. In dark clouds, sometimes you find good. The staff is very sober and nice. All this Parimala, Nayak, Sekuntala, all of them. Sujata, all of them were so nice. They were talking very friendly, nicely, and I was also talking to them. Then, after coming home, I didn't tell my wife because she will get upset. So anyway, I started going to the office. I was thinking what to do. But luckily, since I had time on my hand, I had some incentive to go to Kathmandu. If I write a case study of the TAP, that's how it started. Whatever material I have, Nayak has provided, I wrote a case about whatever I believe in writing, and it's dishonest, but something positive I wrote. It's a reflective kind of thing, positive. Nothing negative, saying that everything is bad, this, that. No, it's positive. There are possibilities of growth, all that. And this was shown to my predecessor because that's all I thought. That's very decent enough. So he read it, immediately sent me a note saying that, Professor, you have done a great job for the time that you spent here. And anyway, Nayak must have given all the material, he said. And I said, yes, he's given. And so nice, he's helpful. So I went to Kathmandu because they paid my airfare. Because at the time, the TAPME is not in a position to pay airfare to Kathmandu also.
True.
So I went there. I presented the case study. It was published also. That case study gave me two things. One is confidence. Second is that I wrote something about the future. Some kind of, if you don't say, you want to say a vision, that's fine. But the mission is there very clearly. The mission is what I used to think about a management school. A management school should be qualitative with better of students and best of faculty. And with a vision to develop innovative things, something like that. That is the mission in my mind. So I started. Where I started, you will be surprised.
Hmm.
I said, let me start with PGP, postgraduate program, office.
Acha, office, okay.
Oh,
Ah,
oh God, what disorganized it, because Sujata was there, but disorganized.
hmm.
No teaching material, no textbooks properly. Timetable is prepared every week by
Hmm.
Ramesh.
Hmm.
Oh, in fact, classes are going on throughout the day.
Hmm.
Some class in the afternoon, some class in the evening. But most of the classes are poor attendance,
Hmm.
and students used to drop from classes in the drop of a hat. Oh God, it's really, really mess.
Hmm.
Then I decided that is the context you think that you need to appreciate.
I know.
That's the reason why I put a stringent discipline.
Hmm.
What are the discipline things? Classes
Attendance
will go on
compulsory.
regularly
Yes.
and 100% attendance.
Yes.
They were shocked. They were shocked.
How can you have
They,
100% attendance? So maybe 99 is okay. 98 also is
yeah.
fine. Or
So
80% or 75
that is
is a pass.
when I said 92, that is it's okay. 92, that is more than now 25 years.
Uh,
Anyway, so with all cribbing, but
hmm.
what we did is I think different from other management schools.
Hmm.
We developed the processes. What is the
Hmm.
process here? For example, now, if a student has to come to the class, he has to have 2 or 3 things first.
Hmm.
He must have some material to read.
Definitely.
He must be told that that material is used on a particular day, because
Hmm.
in normal language schedule,
Yeah.
and a pre-learning guide must be given to them. That
Yes.
means teaching plan.
Yeah. Yeah.
All these things were completely absent.
Hmm.
I said, let us do these things, small things.
Hmm.
At least students know this is the purpose of the course. These are
Hmm.
the kinds of sessions that are planned. This
Hmm.
is the material to be read before coming to class.
Hmm.
And this is the regularity that is maintained.
Hmm.
Attendance is important. All kinds of things. Slowly, with all the resistance, they started realizing that yes, there is some purpose here we were seeing. They
Hmm.
felt it.
Hmm.
Because everything was going seriously. Nothing
Hmm.
is given chance. And
Hmm.
Ramesh was very helpful, let me tell you.
Hmm.
That is a lucky part because PGP coordinator
Yeah.
must be an important source in the PGP. I think
True.
if that man is lax,
Yeah.
nothing will happen. The director cannot
Yeah.
do much.
Yeah. Yeah.
But he was very, very cooperative, helpful to me, coming and asking for doubts. And we used to sit almost every day at least 4 or 5 times
Hmm.
to see that things are not falling off. Even if
Hmm.
they are falling off, we used to contact the students immediately.
Hmm.
All sorts of things.
Hmm.
So by 93 people came.
Hmm.
That is in 92 I was doing all that.
Hmm.
By 93 we set the things much better
Hmm.
for you people when you join. That means by that time the systems were more or less in place.
Hmm.
The PGP office was organized.
Hmm.
PGP coordinator got 1 year's learning,
Hmm.
and I was more confident.
Hmm.
Okay. But then I made a point from a point of students. That's what I presented you when you came for a orientation. That is the
Yes.
induction program. I
True.
said, we will try to see the program is update
Hmm.
and the best of material used
Hmm.
and the best of faculty will be recruited, etc. I must have told all kinds of things.
Hmm.
But one thing is certain. By the time, this man has joined, Ubaidullah.
Kini. Acha, Obedullah.
Ubaidullah is a finance guy.
Hmm.
Must have seen him.
Yeah, he taught
Did you
us.
see him?
Yeah, he taught
Yes.
us, sir.
He's a PhD, so he's not getting any job elsewhere. But then I got him without interview even. Just come and join us.
Hmm.
See, a PhD joining TAPME at the time is almost like, IIM faculty joining TAPME in those days.
Yeah. True.
So anyway, students started, but when new people came, you might have got the same doubts. What kind of institute is this?
Hmm.
Whether things will be certain, whether our placement. But one thing from the day one, my mind is very clear.
Hmm.
If there is no placement, you don't get good students.
Hmm.
That's very clear.
Hmm.
So while doing that, you must improve the quality of the program
Hmm.
and try to get as many faculty as possible from reasonably good institutes.
Hmm.
These are all the small little, what you call as objectives I put myself.
Hmm.
It worked. 93, 95. That's why I said I love this batch.
Hmm.
You also criticized me. There are very negative people.
Hmm.
They called me all names, but I never bothered. But there are enough people who liked the program. So why
Definitely.
bother?
Yes.
So the 2 years, changed actually the entire fabric of TAP.
Hmm.
If you see your batch later, they learned a lot from you people,
Yes.
but they did also well.
Yeah.
But they're different people because our interactions are more frequent with your
Hmm.
batch.
Yeah.
My interactions, faculty interactions.
Hmm.
So it became like a family.
Hmm. Hmm.
So you know every staff member, you know every
Yes.
faculty member, you
Yeah.
know what's happening in the institute.
Hmm.
And while all these things are done with the same resources,
Yes. Yeah.
the only change I made was, which of course with a request to the board, saying that this 10,000 rupees per annum is neither here nor there. Fees. Your batch started with that. But they resisted it, they protested. We can't pay that money again. We doubled it.
Hmm.
From 10,000 it became 20,000 per year,
Hmm.
which gave me some money to do all these things. In fact,
Hmm.
classrooms have window curtains. You must have seen that.
Yes. Yes.
Time.
Yeah.
There were no window curtains in the classroom. Blackboard was not there properly. Where do you get this money from? So anyway, it's all past now. The most important part, Satuhin, I would like to say is that we never stop doing something, improve things,
Hmm.
continuous improvements.
Hmm.
And continuous, not only improvements,
Hmm.
some kind of innovations in the
Hmm.
program, curriculum. For example, by 93, Professor Shekhar came
Hmm.
and he taught you ethics course.
Yeah.
Ethics course is unheard of even IIM sector.
Yes.
The reason being, it is not that they cannot introduce. They said that how do you teach ethics and where are the faculty? Kind of.
Hmm.
But those both problems are sorted out by Shekhar. Now it is all history. How much his course was liked by every one of you
Hmm.
because it's for his knowledge, wisdom, and
Yeah.
also the kind of material he prepared.
Yes. Which finally became a
The
book.
book has
So
come.
yeah, which came as a
Yeah, finally, but to Sage has published within
yeah.
5 years time.
Yeah.
Second print also came afterwards. Anyway,
Hmm.
so ethics was the first course innovation. Look at
Hmm.
it. Every year, we simply not added courses.
Hmm.
We simply added what we call it education for a good purpose with
Hmm.
a faculty.
Hmm.
Even if a course is started, it is not just for the sake of course. Like
Hmm.
many management should say that we have got this number of courses. I never
Hmm.
boasted of that. It is not
Hmm.
the number of courses.
Hmm.
What is the course for and who taught it
Yes.
and who will teach it? These are the things that I kept always in mind. It is not a perfect, I must say that.
Hmm.
But the effort was not stopped.
Yes.
It is a continuous effort, continuous improvements, bit of innovation and doing something. For example, now, to cut this story short,
Hmm.
you said 93, 95. You said the best batch I love. In fact, there is another batch which I also love. That is 97, 99 batch.
Okay.
This batch has more of experienced people
Hmm.
compared to your batch.
Yes.
But very friendly, and they made friendship with our faculty. That is interesting part because
Hmm.
it's somewhat senior. But I think why I said 97, 99 batch, that was the time Raja joined,
Hmm.
98,
Hmm. Hmm.
And before that year, we started MIP.
Yes.
And we said, let us start, but we did not do very well. Let me be
Hmm.
honest.
Hmm. Hmm.
But when Raja joined, I entrusted the job, saying, Raja, since you have got some experience of MTS in ERMA,
Hmm.
you must improve this.
Hmm.
And he did a good job. He
Hmm.
said, we'll make it an output-oriented summer job.
Hmm.
That is called MIP. You know that?
Yeah. Yeah. And case studies
MIP
got
has gone
created. Yeah. Case studies got created. What you were
uh,
talking about earlier. Yeah.
thousands of cases now.
Yeah.
And then that batch has done a very wonderful thing, a love of the institute. Two of the students, and that batch has done extremely well in terms of their cases. And in fact, they put a broad banner in front of the institute saying that proud to say that we have written 100 cases in TAP.
Hmm. Yes.
In fact, it is
It's
those days, the self
it's unimaginable because I think there are a lot of management
Yeah.
institute where people don't solve 100 cases in 2 years. Yet the students have written
Yeah.
100 new cases and added to the knowledge which is there. So I think it's a commendable not only of the batch but the process which was created by you.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, thanks to Raja, I must say that.
Yeah.
I think, in fact, if you want to give credit, that 90% of the credit should go to him.
Yes.
And he is also tough with the students.
Yeah.
The phases, 5 phases are there. All the phases were very tough. And he saw to it that they followed that because he was good. Anyway, but the two students, after passing out,
Hmm.
they wrote an article in the Economic Times. There used to be one column called Learning Curve.
Yes. Yes.
Learning Curve.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
In that they wrote the article, which is very interesting. That is, I think I forgot the date, but June 99 sometime.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
June 99, some June 20th, I forgot the date. But June I remember.
Hmm.
That was printed and I read it. What a wonderful thing to happen. It goes to all kinds of students, that paper.
Hmm. Hmm.
What they wrote was, not only they said, spinning of cases, tap me model. There's something like that.
Hmm.
So that gave me tremendous boost, psychologically and academically.
Hmm.
Wow. An institute of this nature without minimum, with least of resources.
Hmm.
What is the resource for us? It is the faculty and students.
It's true.
Nothing else.
Yes. Yes.
We maximize the returns from the both. That's all I would need. If somebody wants to ask me how you develop the institute, it is because of the kind of resources that we could muster.
Hmm.
The students and fact. That's why I said, just of course, you didn't come through CAT. I also decided that we will go through CAT. By 95, we joined the CAT.
Yes.
Why? Because we want the all India picture,
Hmm.
not from one area, Karnataka or Kerala kind of.
Yes.
So many things happened to him. I can't put it in a few words. But then certainly the growth path was laid down by that time.
Hmm.
That's it. TAPME started becoming popular in the minds of students and parents.
Hmm.
At least they are looking at it as one of the options, if not the only one.
Hmm.
So that I think has already been reached by 2000, by 99 or so. Parents are asking, what is this TAPME? How is this being done? And what is the placement and all. By that time, placement has also become stabilized. One of the reasons I traveled all over places, remember?
Yes. Yes.
I used to go to all companies. Because I think that's something I learned from Ahmedabad.
Hmm.
Even I am Ahmedabad director, the first director, Mr. Ravi Mathai.
Hmm.
He used to carry his bag and travel, Bombay particularly, and meet people and explain what is being done, how the students are good, what they can do, all kinds of things. That's how we start, when you want to build an institution.
Yes.
The values go a very long way. What is the value here? Placement is not left to only placement coordinator or the students. Even the director is taking a large interest in placing them. That itself goes as value. And students love it. And it goes into their head, heart. Not only head, heart. See, look at this gentleman who is going all over places to get us placement. So these are all the values. That's why I said institutions cannot be built by adding them new courses. It requires a background value. Why MIP was introduced? Not for writing only cases, but there's a value behind it. What is the value behind it? The students can create knowledge on their own with some support from the institution. That is the value. Is it not true now? The students are not creating value. Value added is okay, but values for knowledge creation.
Definitely. I think,
so
sir,
unless there are
until things which you have done. So, so I think today when we are looking at TAPME and maybe for the people or specifically the students who might be at this point in time studying in TAPME, they might not even can't imagine that what it was when you joined in 1992 and what it is today, the building blocks which has been done. So, you had long back spoken about that you were wanting to write a book about institutional learning. So you had written it. I think it was going to go for some. Has it come out?
Already.
Okay.
See, unfortunately, what happened is the last 2 years, actually, the editing was also completed by a professional editing group. Actually, I lost 1, 2, 3 years because some editing group was deceived me. So then I
Oh.
had to change it. So
Mhm.
they did not do anything, but I collected money from it.
Oh.
Then I had to change to Sage. There is a Sage
Okay.
Miles.
Ah.
They are only meant for editing the
Academic. Yeah.
manuscripts.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. But now it might see the light. We don't know because last, unfortunately, the COVID thing is actually disturbed everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Last 1 year, nothing happened much
Hmm.
on the front, publishing
Hmm.
front.
Hmm.
And this year also, I'm hoping something will happen. Let me see. But I wrote it.
Okay. So
I
because I
wrote
think
it
that
very.
will be that will be a great amount of
That
knowledge
was the
and
purpose of
everything you
it.
have
Not
captured
for my,
because yeah.
yeah, not for my commercial thing, nothing. I don't want any. Say, I just want to distribute free also because I don't
Yeah.
have need for my money also. Okay. But anyway, hopefully things will change.
Change.
But I think the most important thing for TAPME that happened was,
Hmm.
luckily I was not interfered so much by
Yes.
the management.
Hmm.
Of course, they used to interfere once in a while, particularly
Hmm.
KK Pai.
Hmm.
But then others were little, gentle, and they used to say, sir, please, please. I think Nayak Brahma is doing some good work. Let him do kind of thing. They used to almost like coach. But then things have changed towards the end. Anyway, that's now I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But see, there is. I think this is what called autonomy.
Hmm.
See, if somebody is overseeing you from your shoulders all the time,
Yeah. Yeah.
what freedom you exercise?
If you
For
micromanage,
example,
it's very
now
difficult. Yeah.
like
To make
that's for
anything. Yeah.
example, now I used to recruit faculty as if that I am the person to recruit. I never bother to tell them. I also ask for vacancy kind of model. Many
Hmm.
institutes talk about vacancy. I used to tell vacancy is not the issue. The issue is that how do I utilize the faculty?
Hmm.
In your batch, I'll tell you, Pai, remember Pai?
Yes. Yes.
Pai.
Yeah.
He was recruited almost 1 year before the classes started.
Oh.
Yes, because the strategy course comes at the end of the second year.
End of the second year.
He recruited in the summer of your first year.
1994. Yeah.
So anybody that too in those days when there is no money.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if I have to refer to the chairman KK Pai, do you think that he will agree?
Yeah.
So naturally I have to hide some information also on that spot.
Yes.
But then I informed them in the meetings because everybody knows that a faculty is recruited.
Yeah. Yeah.
The due process. But then how good is it? Pai is very good, very
Yeah. He was
articulate.
excellent. He was excellent. One of the
Yes, and
most loved
yeah.
professors of our batch. Yeah.
Unfortunately, he developed some ambitions to go to IFCI, IFCI or something. He went to
Kirloskar,
Hyderabad.
I think.
Anyway,
Kirloskar, he went initially, I think.
because they were paying more salary, 2 lakhs of
Possible.
rupees. There is the question of paying 2 lakhs. I was not getting 2 lakhs even after my retirement. There is a question. Anyway, it's okay. It happens in the institution's life, the ups and
Yes,
downs.
yes, yes, yes.
But more important is the continuity with I was there for 16 years. The continuity,
Hmm.
greater autonomy,
Hmm.
continuous improvements,
Hmm.
values continuously,
Hmm.
no discrimination in terms of students between young girls
Hmm.
and boys or South India, North India.
Hmm.
No, that was not there. In most of the private institutions I saw, if
Hmm.
there is a South Indian institution, there is a discrimination of North Indian boys, kind of
Yeah.
thing. I heard about it.
Yes.
But we did not do any of that sort, as you know.
Hmm.
It's a free flow for anybody
Yes.
who come and join.
Yes.
So, uh, do I conclude by saying that these are things that happen, or still you want
Yes,
some questions?
I think it's very nice. I think we have got a good idea about your thing. For our podcast, there are a couple of additional questions which are there, more fun things to ask you to get to know you a little better. So, if I may ask you those questions now.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Because I think it's fun to ask your teacher and some questions which is there. So I'm taking this opportunity which I've got. Okay, so in case you are short of time, will you?
No, I'm short of time. I'm free.
No,
I
no.
think you must be.
I'm coming to the question. If you're, let's say, short of time on a particular day, and you have to decide between doing your yoga or going for a walk, which one will
Yoga.
you prefer? Yoga.
Yoga,
How
yoga.
long do you do it, sir, nowadays? 45 minutes kind of thing or 1 hour?
I do it. Not, I do it for about an hour and a half,
Oh,
including
hour and
meditation
including meditation.
and all the small warming up and all that kind.
Because you used to be
Morning
doing
hours.
it, I think, earlier
Evenings.
also. It's not only started now. I think earlier also.
I started with your batch. I started with your batch.
Yeah, we had yoga also, which had happened. And all.
And in fact, I started yoga classes also. Because I
Okay.
learned yoga in IIM Ahmedabad
Uh-huh.
as a special. At that time, it is
Okay.
not institutional.
Uh,
Somebody offered us, so few of our students took the volunteered for it. So I learned.
okay.
I like yoga even now, though I am not as good as yoga doing when I was very young. In fact, I used to do very well, more than 1.5 hours,
Okay.
sometimes 2 hours.
Okay.
But still, I do a little bit because that is important for me at this stage, for my health rather.
Definitely. Yeah. Okay, sir. The next one will be um, now we are in a COVID situation. So if you have now get an opportunity to travel abroad, because one of your daughter is based in France, another daughter is based in USA. Which one will you want to prefer? Not from a daughter's perspective, but I'm saying from a place to go as a place. Is it France or is it USA you
No,
will like to
of
go?
course, our travel model for the several years. In fact, we traveled some 10 times or so abroad
Okay. Okay.
with my wife.
Yeah.
So our travel is convenient model
Okay.
because we don't want to travel all the hours together because
Yeah.
California is too far.
Too far. Yeah.
So what we used to do is we used to go to France first and
Okay.
spend some time there, a month or so. Then we used to take another flight, which means splitting the times.
Yes. Yes.
So that's
So only coming back is a longer 24-hour kind of journey, but otherwise
yes. That also we did once or twice via France.
via France. No, I think that's much better off because I think it's a very
Then
exhausting and with time zone changing
the
and all,
last,
you get
the
very,
last
very
time that we traveled is 1918. In
okay.
2018 we traveled.
2018.
So
Okay.
we went first to France and then from there we went to California.
Okay. Um, okay. The I think next question again comes back to the academics part of it. So, uh, so one thing which was very famous, specifically in our days, and I think it continued. You always used to, after every semester, talk to the students who were the topper, the top 10, and the bottom 10 who were there. Yeah. So at least in our batch, we used to be calling it a strategic tea party, which used to be there with the toppers or with the bottom people. So who used to spend more time with the people who are down below? So did you like them more than the people who were toppers, or how was it?
Well, see, there is always, there's a human mind. You always
Yeah.
like some good students.
Yes.
But only thing is that you must avoid not liking the bad students. That's all.
Correct. Yes.
That is sometimes difficult, but then you must try to because you're a director.
Yeah.
Every student is important to you.
Yeah.
But sometimes it happens in your mind. But I think you
Hmm.
can learn from it.
Yes.
So I tried my best to do that. But
Hmm.
see what happens, a good student is a good spreader. So he will add some value to the institute.
Hmm.
Because in terms of teaching others, for example, now, Saptagiri and Priya,
Priya.
they
Yeah.
used to coach students
Yes.
because Priya has a mathematics background, I think,
Yeah. Yeah.
or statistics. She used to teach
Statistics.
some students.
Yeah.
Teach means coaching.
Yes.
But these things will happen, So you need to have such students also, good students in that sense.
So I think that was a very
Yeah.
nice model, though it was a very competitive scenario because all of us had a relative grading, but still the toppers were being very nice about the whole thing that, okay, I will share my knowledge because I think they uh, knew that I definitely they need to be helping it, but I think their clarity became much better when they were, I think, sharing that
Yeah.
information with other people who are there. Okay,
As
one
a
last
students,
question.
because
Yeah,
your
sorry.
relation with them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
please.
Please go away. No, so you were talking about your relationship. Yeah.
No, I was saying that. So you're interacting with the students to students,
Yeah.
much more free.
Yeah.
Naturally, there is a naturalness. There is a naturalness between relations. So you learn better than a teacher sometimes.
Yes. And I think they can understand that where are the problems they faced when understanding. So they focus on those areas and try to clarify
Yeah.
and
Is a student,
possible. Yeah.
student perspective. Okay.
Student perspective, they are able to do that. Okay. I am not sure whether you watch movies and all, but still let me ask this question. Who, according to you, will be a better actress, Madhubala or Wahida Rahman?
Well, in fact, when I read your question, I was asking myself. Well, I did not see many films, but
Okay.
I would say Wahida Rahman because I saw some good films of her.
Yeah. Yeah.
particular guide,
Definitely, yes.
something
Because
like
I
that.
think
So
Madhubala, her career got short because she passed away at a very early age. Yeah.
yes,
Uh,
so I saw that film, like Mughal Azam, and
yes, yes.
but
And I think
then
with
you
Kishore
don't
Kumar, there was
see
a
into
movie
that.
Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi, where I think Madhubala was there.
Right. I saw that film. I saw that film.
But that was more
But
of a
then
Kishore Kumar, Ashok Kumar kind of movie than a
dominated by
heroine-oriented movie.
Kishore Kumar, Kumar's domination.
Yeah, more of Kumar's
Rather,
domination. It was more of a male-dominated
more of
movie which was there.
male domination, male
Male
domination.
domination. So I think Guide is definitely is a movie which had
Guide
uh,
is in my imprint.
from
Actually,
from a
I
heroine
like the
perspective.
film for everything, see, including Devanand's action,
Devanand's
the
action.
story theme. In fact, Guide was written by a very famous novelist, R.K.
R.K.
Narayan,
Narayan. R.K. Narayan.
South Indian, very famous.
So, yeah.
And he wrote mostly on South India.
Yeah.
So this was very interesting kind of. So that still I remember. So that's why I said immediately. Yesterday itself I decided either I'm on. So
So you are telling on the podcast that I have leaked all the questions and all. What is this, sir? You are not supposed to be telling it. That I thought it will come out as I'm asking you something which you are not ever. Okay, sir. I think thanks a lot. Yes, sir. Thanks a lot. I think we have I think spent around more than 50 minutes, and I think there are tons and tons of things to talk about, and specifically, I think. About TAPME, there's so much to talk about because not only I was there as a student, but also spent 4 years with you as a faculty member, which also helped me out quite a lot.
yeah.
So we could have
You have
spoken
that
quite a
advantage.
lot. Yeah, we could have spoken quite a lot on
Both
those
sides.
things. So maybe at sometimes in the future, we'll definitely want to do that again. And I hope that you keep on blessing all of us, not only me, my batchmate, all the students who are there, and with your blessings,
Thank you
we
so
hope
much.
to be doing
Yeah.
very good.
So nice of you to him. And I always look for people like you to share my experience and all that. And it's interesting because I opened my mouth about TAPME so much in recent past. Okay? So you have provided the facility. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Thanks very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.